Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This is the Lego seasonal display set, the Halloween cat and mouse set. 328 pieces, $20 here in Australia at the Lego store. Cute little mouse there on the side, and we've got some polar bears there at the back there showing. The cat and mouse are playing hide and seek, and I am going to open this box to see a very bent instruction book. And let's see how many packets. And it looks like we get 3 numbered bags plus all these little ones. Alrighty, let's build. Starting with the little pumpkin, and this is a great hiding spot for the little mouse, and I love how the pumpkin's lid comes off, so you'll see that a little bit later. I really like that it looks like his little face has been carved out with those dots parts. It looks very good. And now just doing the sides of the pumpkin now. That part of the pumpkin is finished now, and starting with the little mouse, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I really bought the set for the characters, for the mouse and the cat, and I love the way this is built. So I've learnt a new way of building things, and I got to get his eyes on properly, and there's his cute little nose. Here's a cute little mouse with his long tail. My cat just checked him out and he is too big to play with. So he sits on top of the pumpkin, and now just have to do the pumpkin lid that's going to be angled. And here it is, all finished. The pumpkin's face is all carved out and the little mouse is hiding. Time to start the cat, and this is the black Halloween cat. I love the look of this cat. It is different to the Brickhead's cats, which I really like. So more building techniques, and looks like he's eaten something green. Not sure if it's a green fish or his cat biscuits are green. These are little tufts of hair on the side to give him extra texture and that he looks a little bit ruffled, and more of that food that he's been eating. There's a coral piece there. I'm guessing that's part of his little brain. Oh, and we got some orange brains too. Very Halloween-y with the orange. Love how the back of him is built with these curved slopey bits. It really makes it look like he's hunched over, and he's got a very, very long tail here. Got to angle it a little bit so he doesn't look broken. And now I need to do his little head, and we got purple parts. Okay, maybe this is part of his brain. I'm obsessed with brains at the moment, sorry. It is Halloween after all. More brains, this time coral brain, and little tufts of hair on the side of his head. So he looks like he's startled, or not brushed very well, or he's just a very fluffy black cat. Pink little nose. Oh my goodness, he is looking so cute. Time for his contrasting whiskers, and oh cute, and oh no, I've exposed his brain. Hang on, I missed a part, I gotta fix that. We can't be showing your brains. There we go. Oh my goodness. He is gorgeous. This is the little base plate that I'm building now. So they'll be sitting on this as a display, and they're sitting amongst little pumpkins and the autumn foliage of yellow and orange leaves. This little garden that I'm building now would be pretty good to put in front of a house for a Halloween decoration. You can add lots more little Halloweeny things like spiders and cobwebs, maybe even like a little bent tree. That's a good idea for this base plate actually. Almost done, finishing touches of pumpkins and these leaves, and now I gotta pop the mouse with the pumpkin on. I'll just try to make it fit on there. Oh, there we go. And now the cat's coming along to sit next to the mouse. What a gorgeous setup. I really love this set. It's great value for what you get, and hang on, cat lady, what is she doing here? Yes, sorry, I just saw a large cat. As I was saying, this is a great value set. I think it's worth the $20. It is a beautiful display piece. That little mouse is gorgeous, and I love its big ears and its tail, and the cat is stunning. So anyone who loves cats, perfect set, and just a brilliant set to have. So everyone, get your bricks out.